Welcome to the sweet world of cake making. Before those marvelous creations, let's see how the workers get ready for action. It's all about getting clean. Just put on your gloves, friends, starting with the ingredients where they meet machinery and ideas become cakes. Ovens have done their magic very well. They kept the temperature just right to make sure the cakes rise perfectly. Now the cakes are gently sliced into 3 to 4 perfect layers by those automatic cutters. Next comes the preparations of a lot of cake frosting, so they just pick the materials they need for a day. The perfect sieve I have ever seen. It's all about adding those extra touches to ensure everything is just perfect right before adding the hundreds of dozens of eggs. The machines pick up eggs with gentle care and place them on spools. The eggs are then cracked open all automatically, while the yolks are separated from the whites with extreme care. With the eggs and icing sugar ready, it's time to make the frosting. Everything goes into this big mixer except powdered sugar. The machine whips it all together to create a smooth, creamy frosting. Now the frosting is spread between each layer of the cake. The machine carefully spreads an even layer of frosting on each slice and then onto the top of the cake to ensure perfectly delicious taste in every bite. Here, a classic chocolate cake is under process with vanilla frosting and chocolate decoration details. The contrast is not only beautiful but also delicious, and that rich frosting is to die for. The machines aren't just skilled at creating intricate cake designs but also the unique processing. Look at this cake assembling automation where the cake layer with frosting travels beneath the belt while the one which is supposed to cover it comes from above, hence perfectly uniting the hundreds of 3-layered cakes. Now this machine expertly layers 2 slices of cake. In between, it spreads a rich, creamy coffee frosting for the perfect coffee flavor you may love. Next, the smart robotic arm adds a smooth layer of coffee frosting on top of the cake. Just look at that even luscious spread. These machines dip those beautiful macarons into beautiful chocolatey ornament. After the frosting bath, every cake gets a unique touch of manual artistry. The macarons are carefully placed around the sides of the cake. A bit more chocolate frosting here and there makes each cake look absolutely perfect.
If you're enjoying this video, please do a nice gesture and hit the like button so we stay motivated to create more of such content for you.
Toppings are then switched up with vanilla cake topped with dark chocolate ganache. It's a perfect blend of vanilla and chocolate. The same procedure is followed for cheesecake. The star of the show in this case is the strawberry syrup added on the top, though that rich, creamy frosting is something to talk about. From swirls to flowers and even carrots, the machines can do it all. Each design is made with precision and creativity, adding that special touch to every cake. Custom designs are made for special occasions. The machines can pipe out personalized messages, intricate several patterns, and even the robotic arms freely follow their will to make the cake just perfectly decorated. If it's your birthday, these machines not only write the special message for you, but also make it look even prettier and delicious. Hey, whose birthday is coming this month? Drop your birth dates in the comment section and I'll make sure to wish you a very happy birthday. Look at these stunning cakes, ready to bring smiles and joy. From vanilla cakes to chocolate heaven and much more, every detail is made with love and care, giving you butterflies on your every special occasion. I totally forgot to ask you guys, have you ever been to a cake factory? For me, it was my childhood dream to visit such a fancy place, but honestly, I didn't even know such things exist in reality. Yeah, fine, I've lived my whole life under the rock, but I won't let this happen to you. I will make sure you get to watch all of the factory's inside tours that prepares treats in bulk. It's not the end. A lot more is coming your way. So, stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite treats and know how they're created with so much precious and bulking.